House, Sudarshan Verma, Krishna Datta, Abhiram Reddy, Ashlesh Krishna, Hussain, Vineet, Tarun Sai. Give them a big round of applause. Third place goes to Greenhouse. Nikhil, Harish, Devansh, Anand, Nitish, Harshit, Raj, Romit, Devan, Karthik. Give them a big round of applause. Special place, Blue House. Ganvit, Yuvan, Kuldeep, Satyaram, Abhiram, Charan, Tej Reddy, Vishal, Shravan, Kartikeya and Devansh. Congratulations to our sports stars. To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. You are not. Keep on trying. Girls, first place goes to Yellow House. Wakula, Siddhi, Ashika, Manvita Sri, Jashvita, Netra Krishna, Jarnavi, Arifa Syed, Janisha. Give them a round of applause. Second place to Blue House. Alina Sarhat, Bhavana, Pranita, Nishita, Adya, Danvika, Tanvika, Sarvani. Third place, Red House. Sanika, Renuka, Chaitra, Selina, Aishwarya, Teechana, Ashrita and Joshna. Special place, Greenhouse. Ananya, Santi, Rutvika, Dekshita, Nandini, Varnita and Nandisha. Give them a round of applause. for sports stars. To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you will be the winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. Our organization stands tall in all the fields due to the tireless efforts of each and everyone. Now, let's turn our attention to the general prizes of Class 7. The first category is games. Let's begin by recognizing the champions of the year who have marked remarkable energy, sportsmanship, and team spirit. Now, I would like to invite Principal Sir Praveen Sir, PT Sir Ajay and Sai Krishna Sir, and the class teachers Sirisha Ma'am, Pravina Begum Ma'am to kindly raise the stage and do the honors of distributing the prizes. Shanuj Reddy, Manoviran, Shashank, Lakshay Kumar, Sri Surya, Venkat Taman, Uday Satyasrikar, Pratham Negi. Lohit Krishna, Raven Sri Sai, Kanishk Ram, Raghav Sai, Vijay Raj, Shafi Asam. Blue, Jaideep Sai. Green, Kamal Kartikeya, Sumam Dhruashish. Give them a big round of applause. Blue House, Nitika Saineza, Hemamati, Navyasri, Chandralikita. Isma Fatima, Likita Sri, Lakshmi Monica, Hiranya Manaja, Tanya, Preeti Kumari. Yellow House, Pranati, Chashwini, Vatsalya, Kusuma Chaitra, Chaitra, Satya Nasya Anvita. Green House, Prahashika, Karanita, Maulyasri, Saranya and Sandhya Ashika. Congratulations to all of them. Coming to cricket, first place goes to Blue House. Sri Surya, Venkataman, Uday Satyasnikar, Pradhan Negi, Manobiram. Second place goes to Yellow House. Mohan Yashwant, Mohit Sai, Srihas. Red House goes to Vivek, Sudhir, Samved Reddy, Karthik Verma. Green House, Saket, Mokshit, Yashwantram and Prakash. Congratulations to all of you. It's time to invite our bright stars who have graced the event, India's integrated collection of native folk dances, with their presence and make the part of world record that ICON has set on 16 November 2024. And making the ICON's name carved in the Champions Book of World Records and Asian Book of Records by forming India map in 40 seconds along with the state-wide cultural dance performances. Now I call on the following friends to collect the certificates awarded to them for their outstanding performance in India's integrated collection of native folk dances. Sudarshan Verma, Nikhil, Danvit, Nitesh, Krishna Datta, Yuvansri Datta, Harish, Abhinam Reddy, Ashlesh Krishna, Kuldeep, Lahar Satyaram, Sohan Krishna, Dilupuddin Nag, Venkat Devansh, Abhiram, Shankar Ketan, Sharan, Sai Sharan, Abhinav, Varun. Teja Reddy, Shanmukh Sai, Joshit, Anand Nitish, Vineet, Shravan, Harshit, Tarun, Vishal, Tanish, Nomil, Gunadhyaram, Devansh, Devan, Neeru Jain, Karthik, Harshit, Basha Sheikh. The world record of India's integrated collection of native folk dances has been achieved by Icon Public School.
Parents, once again I would like to say thank you to all of you. These are the Champions Book of World Records certificates. A really valuable, memorable certificate to each one of these students. Please make it a point, my earnest request, take it home carefully, get it framed and keep it on the wall. It's going to be a lifetime memory. Every day you don't break a world record, correct? So this is that opportunity your children have got. It's because of you. You have allowed them to be a part of it. They were part of the formation. 40 seconds and they found the world, the Indian map there. On such an occasion, again I'm telling you, please take care of this certificate. They're going to be proud of it throughout their life. Because this record is not going to be broken soon. Thank you all the parents.
Nearly 400 students of the age of 7 years to 15 years performed the folk dance of all 28 states of India in the correct attire of the state, culminating in the formation of India map with the symbol of Sarva Dharma Sambhav in the center of time of 40 seconds. The event was held on 16 November 2024. Class 2 girls formation: Joshna, Parnita, Vakula, Santi, Anvita, Nishika, Rutvika, Shritika, Ashika, Manvita, Jashvita, Adya, Chaitra, Sarvani, Dekshita, Tanvika, Nandini, Netra Vishnu, Aradhya. Dhanvi Veda, Syed Arifa, Ananya, Dhanvika Sri, Venuka, Ishika, Nandesha, Janisha, Sanvika, Tikshana, Bhavana, Ashita, Sanvi, Selina. The world record of India's integrated collection of native folk dances has been achieved by Icon Public School. Nearly 400 students of the age group 7 years to 15 years performed folk dance of all 28 states of India in the correct attire of the state, culminating in the formation of India map with the symbol of Sarva Dharma above in the center in a time of 40 seconds. The event was held on 16 November 2024. It's time to invite our bright stars who have graced the event, India's integrated college from A to forecasters, with their presence and became the part of world record that icon has set on 16 November 2024. And making the icons Vivek Bachchu, Mohan Eshwar, Chenuz Reddy, Saket, Lakshay Kumar, Manobiram, Sai Charan Sudik, Manukonda Mokshit, Shashank, Mohan Rao, Sri Surya, Samved Reddy, Karthik Verma, Venkat Taman, Jashwant Ram, Chetan, Prakash Dahan, Sai Deepak, Pavan Manikanta, Srihas, Jaydeep, Revant. Kamal Kartikeya, Kanish, Uday Satya, Pratham Negi, Dhruvashish, Vijay Raj, Isma Fatima, Manvita, Sandhya Ashrita, Nikita, Saranya, Lakshmi Monica, Jagni Srilasya, Bhuvanasri, Hiranya, Nitika, Pranati, Hemavati, Shashwini, Navya Maulya, Vatsalya, Kusuma Chaitra, Rupita, Chaitra Sri, Chandralikita, Tarimita, Tanya, Preeti Kumari, Praharshita, Lasya, Vishika Singh.
Again, parents, I would like to give you a clarification. You have seen that they are getting 2 certificates. Remember, the students who have put in a dance on that day in the form of the tribal dance, the folk dance of a particular state, they have been given the Asian World Record certificate, which states about the dance being put in on the day, and the Champions Book of World Record for the formation within 40 seconds, the shape of the map of India. So both certificates are being given to these students. I know it may take space in your wall. Remember, both of them are very valuable. Get it framed and put it on the wall. Congratulations to all of you.
Formation. Nitish Kumar, Mohit Sai, Sumukh, Shafi Azam, Moin Khan, Loya Krishna. Dhanmindatta, Nikhilesh, Hemant, Dikshit, Sohita, Pranati.
So you may be wondering why two groups. Those are all in dance. These are only in the formation. So that's the reason why we have a separate bench. Now the Olympiad prizes will be given. The students of ICON have participated in 4 different Olympiads and will be very specific. Olympiads are attempted by students starting from 3rd class to 10th class. So today, as we have 7th class students here, 7th class students will be receiving their Olympiad prizes from the 4 different Olympiads that they have participated. English Olympiad, GK Olympiad, Maths Olympiad and Science Olympiad. So total 4 Olympiads. Now I will tell you as they form what is the speciality. Out of the students who have participated, some students have bagged gold, silver and bronze. Now I want all of you to listen very carefully. This year, ICON Public School has bagged 176 medals. And that is the highest for any school in Andhra Pradesh. So that's the prize that we have got. The highest number of prizes, gold, silver and bronze put together in the entire state of Andhra Pradesh.
Now I would like to invite Praveen sir, Sailja ma'am, Suresh sir and Rajeshwari ma'am.
Now, as they form, I'll tell you more about it. That's not all. This year we have made many more records. I'll tell you what. One student from class 4 by the name of Anuj bagged a national rank in the Olympiad in English. So that's a very, very big success, a national rank. Now, that's not all again. A 3rd class student by the name of Sadak has got a national rank in Science Olympiad. And now that's not all. The 3rd one, Janvi of 9th class, has won a national rank in Science Olympiad, and total 3 students have got national rank. So that's a real achievement for our students. Congratulations to them, and also all the winners from 7th class. You'll be getting your medals now.
Now I would like to invite Praveen sir, Sailja ma'am, Suresh sir, Rajeshwari ma'am and Siraj ma'am. Olympiad, Science Olympiad, Dhruvashish gold, Srihas bronze, Kusma Chetra bronze. English Olympiad, Nishika Singh gold, Sohita silver, Chashwini bronze. GK Olympiad, Dhruvashish gold, Pratham Negi gold. Raghava gold. Kanishram silver. Revan Saisri silver. Hiranya bronze. Kiran Kumar bronze. Chandralikita bronze. Charan Sundar bronze. Mokshit bronze. Chetasri bronze. Vatsalya bronze. Max Olympiad. Charan Sundar gold. Sohita silver. Sumuk bronze. Congratulations to you all. Philanthropy is powerful because everyone can be affected by the love of for mankind. This can change the world for better. One person can change the life of someone else by one simple act of charity or kindness. Person who consistently and thoughtfully supports a cause, demonstrating generosity, commitment, and a desire makes a positive impact. Now, it's time to reward the students who contributed to Amravati Rare Disease Organization. Now, I cordially invite Praveen sir, Suresh sir, Rajarao sir to kindly grace the stage and do honors by distributing prizes. I invite the following students onto the stage. Sudarshan Varma, Nikhil, Danvir, Nitesh, Yuvan, Harish, Abhiram, Kuldeep, Nahar, Shay, Dilipudin, Viraj, Venkat Devansh, Sanvi, Anvita, Nishita, Ashika, Jasmita, Dasvik, Varun, Suleiman Hussain, Teja Reddy. Joshit, Anand, Chaitra, Nandini, Netra, Aradhya, Syed Arfi, Jay Shravan, Harshit, Tanish, Lomit, Devansh, Neeru Jain, Anandya, Renuka, Ishika, Nandish, Jainisha, Aishwarya, Juhansri. Rutvika Sarvani, Manvita Sri, Gunanand Rao.
So again, we'll be having Miss, what is this particular prize for? Actually, we wanted to have Shobha Rani Garu of ARDO here. She is not yet here. Maybe if she joins us, she will speak to you. ARDO, Amravati Rare Disease Organization, helping the muscular dystrophy patients. All our students and parents have done very well in participating in the raffle contest that they have conducted. And these students were the students who have actually completed one book for the ARDO, and as a thanksgiving they are certifying each one of them, and those who have done more than a book have been given some prizes, a small memento to remember what they have done. Remember, it's not the prize for which we are doing, it's for the service that we are doing. ARDO always serves muscular dystrophy patients. Remember, muscular dystrophy is a condition which still has no treatment anywhere in the world. And there are some 400 odd children under ARDO who are being taken care by them. So this money that all of you have collected goes for that charity. Thank you all the parents. Thank you children for what you have done. It was a great act of charity. It shows your kindness at heart. Thank you.
Your generosity makes a real difference. Thank you all. Philanthropy is powerful because everyone can be affected by the love for mankind. This can change the world for better. One person can change the life of someone else by one simple act of charity and kindness. The person who consistently and thoughtfully supports the cause, demonstrating generosity, commitment, and desire makes a positive impact. It's time to reward the students who contributed to Amaravati Rare Disease Organization. I invite Praveen sir, Suresh sir and Rajarao sir to kindly grace the stage and do honors by distributing the prizes. Now it's time to reward the students who contributed to Amaravati Rare Disease Organization. I cordially invite Praveen sir, Suresh sir and Rajarao sir to kindly grace the stage and do honors by distributing prizes. I invite the following students onto the stage: Samir Raja, Mokshit, Vivek, Mohan Rao, Samved Reddy, Chetan, Dhanvir Latta, Lakshmi Monika, Hiranya Varaja, Abhinav Kartikeya, Kanishk Ram, Pradam Negi, Yuvashish, Vatsalya, Sakir, Sai Charan Sudeep, Mohit Sai, Shishant, Sokita, Moksha Venkata Sai Deepak, Pavan, Sandhya Ashrita, Nikita Sri, Saranya, Janvi Sri, Bhuvan Sri Sahasra, Nikita Sai, Teshwini, Navya Sri, Snehas, Chaitra, Nikita, Tanya Tulita, Preeti Kumari, Prahashita. Your generosity makes a real difference. Thank you all. To build a strong country requires efforts. To build a strong
So these are the contributors from ARDO from class 7. There are more of students who have contributed more than a book, so that's the reason they have been given these mementos. And similarly, the others have completed one book as per their quota of contribution towards the raffle. So congratulations all of you, and we also congratulate the parents for your big heart in allowing your children to actually go around and collect the money for such a good cause. Charity also helps us, it makes us good from the heart. So thank you parents for allowing this.
social cause. Now I would like to request Praveen sir and Rajarao sir to come on the stage.
we are glad to have with us the representative of ARDO. So I request you onto this. You are just again in time for the prize distribution. Please come here, sir. So please do address them and.
So very happy evening. I'm extremely sorry. I might be a little late, I think so, because of heavy traffic in Vijayawada. You might be knowing. So this is a wonderful evening. I would like to thank Icon Public School directors, Sri Rajendra sir and Baldasarji sir, for their wonderful support for ARDO. And of course, beside me, Praveen sir, a one nice person, an amazing person I have seen ever in my life, who supported in spite of his academic curriculum and all the, as a director for the academics, and even though he supported well for the welfare of the wonderful people in this, on this earth, I can say, which are differently abled ARDO people. So I would like to thank each one of the parents here, because you are bringing up your children with all the values that what society needed today. So I must appreciate the wonderful students here. Hi. Thank you so much, each one of you who supported well for to support the ARDO, which is having more than 400 sufferers. Commonly, we are very well known. Do you know ARDO? Yes. The children might be, the parents also know ARDO. For sake of everybody, I would like to tell what is ARDO. It's Amaravati Rare Diseases Organization, which is an organization started by the sufferer herself. Actually, Shobha Rani ma'am, suffering from the muscular dystrophy. You might be knowing Stephen Hawking, I think. He is a wonderful and the greatest scientist in physics who suffered a lot with muscular dystrophy. Even though she is suffering with all the ailing of those things with dystrophy, she started an organization which supports this noble cause of supporting many sufferers along with her. So in that noble cause, Icon Public School is a wonderful partner since many years, I can say, and we are truly grateful for the organization of Icon Public School, along with them the wonderful and amazing parents like you have supported along with your children for ARDO. So my sincere thanks and gratitude towards all of you. I take a bow for supporting us in a best manner. Thank you so much once again, Icon Public School, for giving such a wonderful opportunity in this wonderful evening. The prizes, of course, these children have supported our ARDO excellently well, and I pray God to bless these kids with the wonderful things in their life to support more and more and do service to the society. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate your presence here because parents now really know what exactly